Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Be Optimistic. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here with Al speaking part 1 to another new topics along with the sample answers which are prepared by me. And in my previous video I've also explained part 1 two new topics, age and staying up late. If you haven't watched that video then you can get the link in description box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like my videos as well as share with your friends. So let's dive into today's concept without wasting your precious time right now. So guys, our first topic is baking. Our first question is, do you often bake? To be honest, as a filler over here, to be honest, I prefer baking occasionally. Last time I baked a cake a month ago on my brother's birthday. It means कि मैं कदे कदे बेकिंग करनी है occasionally means कदे कदे ते last time मैं अपने brother दे birthday ते cake bake कीता सी एक month ago, right? Or our answer can be in this way as well. To be honest, I have a sweet tooth. So I prefer baking almost daily. Yesterday evening I baked few cupcakes for me and my brother. Here I again use the same filler. To be honest, I have a sweet tooth as an idiom. That means a person who like to eat sweet dishes, right? Means कि ਮੈਨੂੰ sweet dishes ਖਾਣ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੌਂਕ ਆ ਸੋ ਮੈਂ almost daily baking ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ yesterday evening ਮੈਂ ਕੁਝ cupcakes bake ਕੀਤੇ ਸੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ brother ਦੇ ਲਈ, right? So our next question is, what type of things are baked in your country? Well, a vast variety of items are baked in our country, such as cakes, breads, pastries, cookies, breads, muffins, brownies, and few non-vegetarian items as well. In this answer, we just have to name the items which are baked in our country, or you can start in this way. Well, numerous or a vast variety of items are baked in our country, and some of them are like cakes, pastries, breads, cookies, and a few non-vegetarian items. Right? So guys, let's move towards our next question. So guys, our next question is baking popular in your country? ਕੀ baking ਤੁਹਾਡੀ country ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ popular ਹੈ? Yes, of course. In my nation, there is abundance of bakeries and baked products such as bread, biscuits, cakes, which can be seen everywhere. Yes, of course means हाँ. In my nation, मेरी country ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ abundance means ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ plentiful ਕਿ abundance of bakeries ਨੇ ਤੇ baked products ਵੀ ਨੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ bread, biscuit, cakes ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਦੇਖੇ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈ। I've used passive sentence can be seen. And I've also explained how to make the passive sentences in one of my video. If you haven't watched that video, then you can get the link in this by clicking on I button. And in this question, it is mandatory to say yes or no because it was the demand of our question. Is baking popular? Key baking popular hai? If you won't use this kind of filler, yes, no, then your answer would be considered incomplete. So guys, always take care of these kind of things, right? So our next question is, do you think baking is a healthy method of cooking? ਕੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ baking ਇੱਕ healthy ਤਰੀਕਾ ਵਾ cooking ਦਾ, right? Again, they have asked you opinion. Do you think? Yes, definitely. Baking is a dry heat cooking method in which food is roasted at high temperature in the oven rather direct exposure to heat. कि हाँ, जरूर कि जेडे yes, definitely it means I've given my answer कि हाँ yes, right कि baking then I've given the reason क्योंकि baking की है dry heat cooking method ਆ ਇੱਕ ਡਰਾਈ ਹੀਟ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਫੂਡ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹਾਈ ਟੈਂਪਰੇਚਰਸ ਤੇ ਓਵਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਾਦਰ ਦੈਨ ਕਿ ਇਨ ਕੰਪੈਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਵਿਦ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਲੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਫੂਡ ਨੂੰ ਹੀਟ ਕਰੀਏ ਲਾਈਕ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨਾਰਮਲੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਗੈਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਰਾਈਟ additionally is again a connector over here which means in order to add more information right additionally baking requires little or no oil ਕਿ ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਬੇਕਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਨਾ ਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹੀ ਆਇਲ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵਾ hence it doesn't cause any reactions in foods making it a healthier option hence means is this it like we can use this word instead of so it doesn't cause any reaction so ਇਹ ਕੋਈ food ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ reaction create ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਕੋਈ cause ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ and making it a healthier option and ਇਹਨੂੰ healthier option ਬਣਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾ right and next question do you prefer eating home cooked meals or eating out कि तुसी घर दा बणिया खाना पसंद करदे हो या फिर बाहर जाके खाना, राइट? Will I give preference to dine in because my mother has gifted hand at cooking and she made delectable dishes? Will कि मैं dine in means घरे खाना. It is an idiom. Dine in means to eat at your home. कि मैं घर खाना खाण ਨੂੰ preference ਦਿੰਨੀ ਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੇਰੀ mother ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ has a gifted hand. Gifted hand is another idiom that means to do something perfectly. ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਟੈਲੈਂਟ ਹੋਣਾ ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਕੋਈ ਪਰਸਨ ਕੋਲੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਵਧੀਆ ਵੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰ ਆਂਦਾ, ਰਾਈਟ? Gifted hand can be used to describe any person's talent at any skill, right? So you can use this idiom in any other cue card or questions as per the questions demand, right? And she made delectable dishes. Delectable means delicious कि बहुत tasty dishes बनाਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, right? And our next topic is based on challenges, right? Tell me about kind of challenges that children face. First question ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ challenges ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸੋ ਜਿਹੜੇ children face ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ. I reckon means I believe usually children have to grapple with academic challenges such as to compete with the peers in exams and competition. ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਯੂਜ਼ਲੀ ਮੀਨਸ ਆਮ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਗ੍ਰੈਪਲ ਮੀਨਸ ਕਿ ਜੂਝਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ, ਸਟਰਗਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਐਕੈਡੈਮਿਕ ਚੈਲੰਜਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਸੱਚ ਐਸ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੀਅਰਸ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕੰਪੀਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਵਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਸ ਦੇ ਕੰਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਪੀਅਰਸ ਕੌਣ ਹੁੰਦੇ? ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ, ਮੀਨਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਲਾਸਮੇਟਸ ਨੇ, ਰਾਈਟ? We can also add one more line over here, and moreover some children also have to face challenges in order to maintain their dignity as well as to survive in the better way in the community, right? Nextly, what lesson do the children learn from challenges? ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦੇ lessons ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਆ ਬੱਚੇ challenges ਤੋਂ? While facing challenges, children learn numerous lessons as they come to know about their strong as well as weak points, how to react to something distressing, and how to tackle a situation. कि challenges face ਕਰਕੇ ਬੱਚੇ numerous means many ਕਈ lessons ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ as means ਜਿਵੇਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਨਾ strong points ਕੀ ਨੇ, weak points ਕੀ ਨੇ, and ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ react ਕਰਨਾ, ਕਿਵੇਂ behave ਕਰਨਾ. distressing situation ਹੋਗੀ ਲਾਈਕ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੋਈ sad ਜਦੋਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਉਦੋਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ behave ਕਰਨਾ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਟੈਕਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈਂਡਲ ਕਰਨਾ, ਐਂਡ ਕਿਸ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸ ਵੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਂਡਲ ਕਰਨਾ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਐਂਡ ਮੋਰ ਓਵਰ challenges assist children to become a better human beings, right? I forgot writing this line over here, so you can add it. Moreover, challenges assist children to be good human beings, right? So our last question regarding the challenges is, do you think parents should allow their children to go through challenges? ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ challenges ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਲੰਘਣ ਲਈ allow ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. Undoubtedly, I assert it is need of today's era because of presence of cutthroat competition in every aspect of life. If parents will permit their offspring to face challenges, then children will become habitual to face hardships in the life. Therefore, they would become capable to attain their dreams without anyone's assistance. Undoubtedly means बिना किसी शक तो. I assert means I believe. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਦੇ ਯੁੱਗ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਆ. Because ਕਿਉਂਕਿ कि कटथ्रोट कंपटीशन मीनस कि बहुत हार्ड कंपटीशन चल रहा आस्पेक्ट भी लाइफ के हर एक फील्ड के विच. इफ जे पेरेंट्स परमिट मीनस अलाउ करनगे अपने बच्चों को, ऑफस्प्रिंग्स मीनस बच्चे चैलेंजेस फेस करने के लिए, दैन फिर वो की होगा चिल्ड्रन हैबिचुअल बन जाएंगे, आदि बन जाएंगे कि वो हार्डशिप मीनस किसी भी डिफिकल्टीज को फेस कर सकेंगे लाइफ के विच. देयरफॉर मीनस एज अ रिजल्ट कि वो कैपेबल हो जाएंगे, ये योग बन जाएंगे कि वो अपने सपनों या फिर अपने एम्स को फुलफिल कर पाएंगे, अचीव कर पाएंगे बिना किसी की हेल्प दे. असिस्टेंस मीन्स हेल्प, राइट? सो गाइस, in this way you can also give the answers and try to avoid the repetition as much as you can, because it acts as hindrance in front of getting the best scores and while speaking. And try to use few uncommon words if you want to boost your scores in speaking. So this is the list of the today's idioms and uncommon words that we have used. First one is to have a sweet tooth means a person who enjoy eating sweet food. Like means कि होगा जिहड़े person ਨੂੰ sweet dishes खाण दा शौक होवे. The person who is fond of eating sweet dishes, right? Dine in means dine at home means घर खाना खाना. Dine out ਹੁੰਦਾ कि घर ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਖਾਣਾ ਖਾਣਾ, right? Gifted hand, talent to do something perfectly. ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ perfectly ਕਰਨ ਦਾ talent. As I told you earlier, you can use this idiom in your cue cards or in your questions to describe a person's skill, right? Delectable means delicious, abundance. Extremely plentiful means बहुत ज़्यादा गिनती ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ होना, right? Attain, achieve means प्राप्त करना, assistance help करना, assistance हो गया help. Grapple, struggle means जूझना. Tackle, handle. Assert and reckon both have the same meaning, that is believe, right? So guys, try to use some uncommon words. I've already made separate videos on idioms as well as uncommon words. These are essential if you want to get 7 plus bands in your IELTS speaking, right? So guys, that's all for today. I hope this video would be useful for you. If you learned something useful and beneficial today, don't forget to press the like button. And if you still face any difficulty regarding any question or anything, then you can let me know by writing in the comment box, or you can also drop me a mail on my Gmail account. And special thanks to the Rays of Light who acquainted me a unique method of video recording. Thanks a lot. And guys, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned. Keep watching. Bye bye. Take care.